All right, hey, welcome back. Today we are looking at the Codewars 8Q challenge, basic mathematical operations. Directions are as follows. Your task is to create a function that does 4 basic mathematical operations. The function should take 3 arguments. First one, operation, which is a string or character. Second one, value, a number. And the third one, value, a number as well. The function should return result of numbers after applying the chosen operation. So user will input the operator, and then based on the user input, the function will complete the following. So if the user puts in a plus sign, it will take 4 and add 4 to 7. If the user puts in the minus symbol, 15 minus 18, and so on and so forth. So let's look at this in VS Code. Here we go. All right, as always, we're going to console log the solution. So I'm going to put the function name in here, basic op, and then I'm just going to write the arguments down here and then change them as I need to. So we're going to start with addition, 4 and 7. We're going to add these 2 numbers. This one is pretty simple. You are just going to have a list of if statements. So let's start with the if statements. Okay. If, and then your condition is going to be in here, and then whatever you want the function to complete for you is going to be in these curly braces down below. So let's start with the condition being the user input in the operation section. And let's start with basic addition. So if the user puts in a plus symbol for the operation, then we want to do addition in these curly braces. And we want to add value 1 to value 2 in these curly braces down here. So how do we write that? Let's get rid of this condition. If operation is equal to the string with the plus symbol, then in the curly braces, we will return value 1 plus value 2. Okay, looks like it's working. If operation is equal to plus, so if the user puts in a plus sign, take value 1 and add it to value 2, and we got an 11. Quick tip, if you want to do some quick copying, take a line or multiple lines of code and copy it down once or multiple times. You can just highlight this right here. You hold the shift button and you hold the alt key, and then you hit the arrow down. So shift, alt, arrow down, boom, 2, 3. And we will just change these parameters in here, or these conditions, and then we will start altering what is being input into the function and see if it operates properly. So we got the addition already, but we need to account for the rest of the operators. So we would need subtract. So if the user puts in a subtract symbol into the operation, then subtract these 2. If the user puts in the multiplication symbol in the operation, then multiply the 2. And if the user says the operation should be division, then divide the 2. Okay, but we are still only putting the plus symbol in. So let's start changing these down here. Let's start changing the operator at the bottom. So let's do subtract. Okay, so I put in a minus operator into the operation, and then it took 4 and it subtracted 7 from it. Let's try multiplication. 28, good. And let's try division. All right, cool. Let's copy this. Go back to Codewars. See if it works. Passes all the tests, and then attempt the rest of the tests, and we are all good. As always, I would recommend looking at other people's solutions. Always keep adding to your toolbox. And that concludes it. I will see you in the next one. See ya.